All right, it's Wednesday night, and this is the videos for Thursday. All right, I'm going to try to keep this to 10 minutes, but I'm going to encourage you all. I saw that on your notes today, I saw a lot of people that just tried to get through this, to get the notes just to show me. I really strongly would encourage you to hit pause right now, write this problem down, and try it. Okay? If you get stuck at any point, then then hit play and watch. All right. I want y'all to see that on this problem we have numbers, we have A's, we have B's, and we have C's. So there are four things going on in this problem. All right. I'm going to take care of the numbers first. 5 times 6 is 30. All right. A squared times A cubed is going to give me A to the 5th. B to the 3rd times B to the 4th is going to be B to the 7th. And finally, C to the 4th times C to the 2nd. I add the exponents. I get C to the 6th. All right, this problem probably would have been in that level 3. All right, I'm thinking most of the class can get through 1 and 2. Okay, it's 3 and 4 that we need to work on. All right, here's another problem that would have probably been in level 3. All right. When you've got a problem like this, the first thing you want to take care of is the parentheses. You want to take care of the power of the power. All right. So this cube on the outside of the parentheses, that applies to the v, and that applies to the u squared. So this is the same as being v to the 1st. All right. 3 times 1 makes this v cubed. Okay. I've got u to the 2nd, u squared, cubed. So I multiply those and I get u to the 6th. All right. I just bring all this down to the left. All right, now I need to just combine this stuff. Okay, I've got a 2, which is my number, which is my coefficient sitting out there. There's nothing else across here to multiply by. So I'm just going to bring that down 2. All right, I've got u to the 4th right here. And I've got u to the 6th. I'm going to combine those. All right. It's u to the 4th times u to the 6th. I add the exponents. I get u to the 10th. I've got a v by itself, which is the same as being v to the 1st. And I've got v to the 3rd. Multiply those. I add them. I get v to the 4th. All right, for this third problem, we've probably got a level 4 going on here, right? A lot of different kinds of concepts in this. All right, let's start by working on the parentheses. I've got negative here on the right. I've got negative 2y squared to the 0 power. All right. I've preached this over and over again, but just a few of you answered this the other day. Anything to the 0 power is just 1. All right, I'm going to bring down this y cubed. And let's go here. Got negative 3 cubed. All right, this concept is like bugging a lot of people, but let's see. I'm going to write this down here. All right, minus 3 times minus 3, or negative 3, times negative 3. All right, let's just... Negative 3 times negative 3 is going to give you positive 9. Times negative 3, that's going to give you a negative 27. So I put that out front, negative 27. To clean it up, it's just negative 27 y cubed, and I don't have to write times 1. This is your final answer like this. All right, another level 4 type problem here. All right, lots of stuff going on. At first, it looks a little intimidating, but if you just kind of start digging in, it's not that bad. All right, we have to start over here. We have to start with the parentheses. This 2, this square on the outside of the parentheses applies to the 2, and it applies to the x cubed. So 2 squared is going to be 4. 2 times 3 is 6. That gives us 4x cubed. All right, times, just bring down this x to the third. Matter of fact, I'm just going to pretty much bring down everything. All right, now we're just going to combine things. I am going to look at my coefficients, my numbers. All right, I've got negative 4 and times 4, which is going to give me negative 16. All right, negative 16 times 4 is going to give me negative 64. Probably need your calculators for that. It's no big deal. All right, all we've got left is x and y's. I'm going to put them, just go ahead and write x and y down here. All I have to do is figure out the exponent. So the x's, let's go across here. All right, I've got a 2 plus a 3 plus a 6. All I have to do is add those together, and I get 11. Y's. All right, I've got 3, 0. I just have to add those together, and that gives me 3. Put it right there, and I'm done. If you're wondering, you think, well, anything to the 0 powers 1, just think about this. I'm going to write this down here in this corner so you understand the concept. All right, y to the cube times y to the 0, which was what I just did. Okay, you add those, and you get y to the 4th. Y to the 3rd. Okay, that's the same as this. I guess I should erase that. Erase that. That's the same as this, just being a 1. So I added y to the 0 to y to the 3rd, and I got y to the 3rd. All right, Friday will be the last day we spend on just multiplying exponents. All right, on Monday, we totally switch up and we're going to start dividing exponents. All right, a lot of the same properties apply, but we really need to get this down. You need to be at least halfway comfortable with doing level 3 and level 4 problems. All right, we're going to do a little more practice on Friday. I'm going to give you a worksheet from the book. Okay, and we're going to work on that, and then on Monday we start the division. Take these notes and be ready to give them to me in class on Friday.